Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I once again thank all my viewers, subscribers for your continued support. Today's topic is basic engineering. Some basic important topics I will cover. Please watch till the end, and if you are not subscribed, please subscribe and press the bell icon. So small topics, important topics I will cover now. One is water cement ratio. Now what is water cement ratio? So these are all the important topics generally covered in the preliminary interview questions. So the first one is water cement ratio. So what is water cement ratio? So the question itself has the answer, water cement ratio, that is the ratio. Now weight of water divided by weight of cement is the water cement ratio. Now lower the water cement ratio is the higher the strength and durability. So generally water cement ratio is between 0.45 to 0.6 for the concrete mix. Rich concrete mix will be the lower the ratio, for the lean concrete will be the higher the ratio. So it varies between 0.45 to 0.6. So that is the water cement ratio. Now how this water cement ratio is applicable in the day-to-day concreting is, now when you want to do concreting, to calculate the water to be added for 1 bag of cement, that is where this water cement ratio applies. So generally for rich mix it varies from 0.45 to 0.6. So for 1 bag of cement, how much water is required to be mixed during the mixing of concrete in the mixer machine or manual mixing? So how much water is, weight of water is not known. Weight of cement of 1 bag is 50 kg, and if the water cement ratio is taken as 0.6, 50 into 0.6 is 30 liters per bag. So suppose you want to do 100 bags, so 30 liters into 100 is about 3000 liters of water you would require for directly for the concreting. Of course, for other ancillary use and wastage you require more water. So water cement ratio plays an important role. So this determines mostly the strength of the concrete, and it is weight of water divided by weight of cement is the water cement ratio. So now different grades of concrete. Let us see, we have different grades of concrete which is generally expressed by mix M, M 7.5, M10, M15, M20, M25, M30, like that. So there is a mix, and the number is 7.5, 10. They are normally a lean mix. M15, M20, 25, 30 are normally used for RCC works. From M20 onwards, mostly RCC works are used. Now, what is this number of M15 denotes? What is 15? Now, 15 is M is represent the mix, and 15 represent the compressive strength or the characteristic strength of concrete in Newton per mm square. So M15 is 15 Newton per mm square. It is very important to know the units. So it is 15 Newton per mm square, and it is 28 days strength of concrete when it is tested in a cube testing machine, CTM machine. So when concrete is prepared and cube is prepared, and when it is tested on 28 days, the compressive strength of concrete should be 15 Newton per mm square, and that represents M15. Similarly, M20 is 20 Newton per mm square. So that is the compressive strength of concrete at the end of 28 days, which means the concrete normally attains strength on 28 days. So the concrete cube samples are taken, and based on that it is tested on the CTM machine, and the value should come minimum 20 Newton per mm square. That is the grade M20. So you have nominal ratios for the different grades of concrete, which is M 7.5 is 136, M 15 is 124, M 20 is 1.5, and M 112 is M 25. So you have a nominal ratios with cement, sand, and aggregates. So what is the cube mold size which is used for the concrete preparation of concrete cubes for the testing? So the concrete cube mold size is 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters, nothing but 150 by 150 by 150 mm. So this is the standard cube mold size for taking concrete cube samples. Generally 3 layers of concrete is put and 25 strokes at each layer with the tamping rods. So that is how the cube samples are taken and tested, and that represent the grade of concrete values. So M15, M20, M25 likewise. Now what is workability? So workability of concrete is ease of placement of concrete. When the concrete is mixed, like cement, concrete is mixture of cement, sand and aggregates and water. When it is mixed, and the ease of placement of concrete and how much it can be compacted easily represents the workability of concrete. So most commonly used test for workability is slump cone test. So basically to determine the water content of cement, which directly results in the durability and the strength of concrete. Normally the lower the slump, the better the strength of concrete, and the concrete slump, ideal slump values for different works will be slightly different. Otherwise basically it is about 75 to 100 mm is the normal slump value. Of course this will vary for the different nature of works. Now the grade of cement. So similarly like concrete, we have different grades of cement, which is 33 grade cement, 43 grade cement, 53 grade cement. So again this 43 represents compressive strength of cement, which is 28 days of testing value, which is 43 is satisfies 43 is 43 grade cement, and 53 grade cement is similarly 53 grade, and it is 53 is the compressive strength of cement, Newton per mm square, on 28 days of testing. So this is the grade of cement. So there are different grades of cement, and again the value is 43, 53 represents the compressive strength of cement cube. So basically the cement cube, which the normal size is 70.6 mm by 70.6 mm by 70.6 mm mortar cubes. So basically these mortar cubes are cement mortar cubes are prepared in the ratio of 1:3 by using standard sand. So you get a special sand for this, which is a standard sand, or it is also called Ennur sand. So this is mixed in a proportion about 1:3, and then there is a compactor machine is there, vibrator compactor machine. It has to be placed, and then it has to be cured for 28 days, and then it has to be tested for its values. So that is the different grades of cement. So this cube mold size, as I said, for concrete it is 150 by 150 by 150 mm, and for cement cube it is 70.6 mm by 70.6 mm by 70.6 mm. So for all these topics, so important topics, I just wanted to review it. So you can also, for full detailed topics of handbook of civil engineering, you can always is available with me. So you can WhatsApp me in my phone number 94465 91311 for more details. So you get various topics covered in this handbook: basic engineering, quality control practice, quantity surveying, bar bending schedule, and planning controls. So you get various information and details through this book. So if you are interested, please keep in touch with me. Thanks for watching. And if you are not subscribed, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.